Hi everyone, Chef Anthony here with Don's Appliances. Today I'm in the Signature Kitchen Suite. I'm going to go over the 36-inch induction range. Very good range, just came in here. This is so nice. It's really flush inset right here, so you can have it flush inset or you could have it with a trim piece. But this boasts 5 areas of cooking. So now center right here, and if we look at the center dial, so we have a dedicated burner here, here, and here, and then the big one in the center. But the really best part is, it is induction cooking, but we have these flex zones on each side. So when it says flexible like this, it means we can bridge both of these together. Bridging it together would add it for another size pot, so give you like a more variable. So even like this, if I wanted to add a grill pan in that was induction, so now I could put it in here and really use the power of both burners. Kind of, make it compatible, make it set up to my cooking style, and really what I like to do. So if you could put a long grill pan in here, or that big oversized pasta stock pot, things like that, customers aren't limited by dedicated burners in this 36-inch Signature induction. So think about that. Now we can fire this up. This could be breakfast, this could be pan-sear steaks, all kind of great things. So it gives you the opportunity on the left and the right to do that. So let me turn this on again, and now it's auto detected. See how it says auto detected? That means it's a ferromagnetic pan. So let's talk about that too. Everything we talk about with induction, everyone says, oh, what pans can I use? It's so easy to really decipher which pan. So just grab a magnet. If the magnet sticks to the bottom, there's enough ferrous metal for it, and therefore it'll work on induction. So you'll find like a lot of your cast iron, maybe some of your older pans, even some of those copper cord ones that have that much metal in there will be effective. So don't throw away your old pans just yet. So I want to show you, I'm just going to click on the center burner here, and here's what it is. And the beautiful part about Signature is they give you half increments too. So now we can go 1.5, 2.5 to really tune in and get that precise temperature that we want. The red line is the indicator that we're on. So we're at a 9 now, but like here you can go simmer or boost. So I'm going to hit the boost button, and that's really going to draw all the power to this pan. It's really going to create that burner boiling water in 60 seconds or 90 seconds, depending on the pot. So the good test is, if you feel the vibration on here, and then we only have probably a cup and a half of water in here, but you could see already in a matter of seconds the boiling. So talked about the power. I just want to talk about the safety real quick. So I can put my hand right here, as long as I'm not touching the pot or any of the metal. My hand is safe to the touch. So, that's really a testament to what induction actually does really well. So, the fact that that's 220 degrees of water, and I can put my hand here, there's no residual heat. When I remove this pan, though, it's still etched glass, and there'll be some warm spots on there, but, that's great. And now I'm going to go back to the control board, and I'm going to click on this boost button over here. See how now I can take it to a simmer, and immediately it'll hold it to a simmer. It's probably around 200 degrees, 190 degrees, depending on what the exact is. But think about it, as accurate as this is, we can go from a rolling boil, to a simmer in a matter of seconds. That's really how accurate induction is and how efficient the cooktop is. You can put parchment underneath here to cook with a dry pot underneath. Really saves your time in cleanup. So think about this, when we talk about cleanup, this is still etched glass. So we want to use Windex with white vinegar or just a white vinegar product, things like that to clean it with, and you're going to see, you'll get great results year after year. So just to recap, we have our 2 flex zone, we have our 2 burners right here or a 1 flex zone. We have our big eye burner here, that we could do smaller or larger pots. Then we have the same thing on the right hand side, the flex, okay, with the 2 burners. So think about that in your cooking applications, to correctly help you, do multiple pots, do multiple cooking and things like that. So hope you enjoy this video on the Signature Kitchen Suite 36-inch induction cooktop. So.